How to use Instagram edit, trim and cut feature. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use Instagram edit, trim and cut feature. So to use this feature for the beginning and the ending, what you have to do is head to your edits app and then tap on the plus icon, then tap gallery to upload the picture or video from your gallery. Now choose your video, then tap on the video and then hold your finger on the left handle and drag it to the right to cut the beginning, or hold the right handle and drag it to left to cut the end. Now, to cut in the middle, to remove the section in the middle, what you have to do is in the edit video screen, drag the playback slider to the exact second where you want the cut to begin, and then tap the split tool, then mark the end, and then tap the middle section you just created and tap delete. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my